Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to enhance your button design in Divi by adding a second line of text beneath the button's main label. This additional line can be used to provide extra context, highlight a benefit, or include a supporting call to action, making your buttons clearer and more engaging without disrupting your design. We'll show you how to add this subtext using a simple method and ensure it displays properly on your live website. Let's get started. To add a second line of text beneath your Divi button module label, you can use the Button Subtext feature. This is a no-code solution that makes it simple to enhance your call to action buttons by adding extra context or emphasis. The feature is included in one or more of our plugins. Check the Get This Feature section in the associated post for details. Let's explore how you can use this to elevate your button design. To add main and subtext to a button in Divi, start by opening the Divi Builder and adding a new button module to your layout. In the button module settings, look for the button text field. This is where you'll enter the main label for your button. For instance, you might type something like primary button text. Just below that, you'll see another field labeled Button Subtext. This is where you can add a secondary line of text, such as secondary subtext, which will display directly beneath the main label. To ensure the subtext aligns with your design, you can customize its appearance. Simply go to the Design tab in the button settings, then navigate to Button Subtext. From there, you'll find options to adjust the font, size, color, and additional styling options to match your desired look. After you've finished adding the main and subtext to your button, it's time to publish or save the page. Once that's done, exit the Visual Builder to see how it looks on the live page. Your button should now clearly display the main label with the subtext positioned directly underneath. This provides your visitors with that extra bit of context or information, all while maintaining a clean and uncluttered design. And that's it. Adding subtext to your Divi buttons is a simple and effective way to make your calls to action clearer and more engaging. It's a small touch that can make a big difference in communicating your message. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!